playboy, 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 playboy.
And I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, hey girl, hey, welcome. And of course, if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today I'm coming to you guys with another hair video, and this one is coming courtesy of Perfect Lace Wigs. They were kind enough to send me over this really cute curly unit for me to try for you guys. And I don't want to get into too many details right now, but I'm feeling it. If it's curly, y'all know I'm feeling it. Make a long story short, if you want to check out all the details on this hair and or you want to see me do what I do with this wig, just keep on watching.
You bring me comfort to my soul. You bring me comfort to my soul.
Okay guys, real quick, I just want to talk about this wig right here. Okay, so of course y'all already knew I was gonna rave about this because I love curly hair on me, especially long curly hair. But seriously, when I took this out of the box, it was just so soft and I could run my hands through it so easily. I just knew it was gonna be bomb once I actually put it on my head. I did say it before, but this wig is from Perfect Lace Wigs. This is their Brazilian, wait, let me get this right, okay? This is their Brazilian Virgin Deep Wave wig in 22 inches with a medium-sized cap and a light brown lace. Look at me knowing all the details. And then as far as the manageability, did I say that right? Manageability. But as far as that goes, I didn't get a lot of tangling with this wig, but I did get a lot of shedding, especially right here. As you can see, when I was running my hands through the hair after wetting it, a lot was coming out on my hands. I did forget to show that. It wasn't an excessive amount, but it was enough to be like, all right now, you know. And as you guys saw in some of the earlier clips, this wig did come pre-plucked. The hairline actually looked so good. I did go back behind it just because I'm extra and I couldn't help myself. It didn't come pre-bleached though, but that wasn't really a problem for me. As you guys saw, some foundation and a little bit of face powder did the trick. The only thing I can say about this wig is that I wish they had sent me a medium brown lace. The light brown lace, it worked all right. It wasn't horrible, you know, but I feel like the medium brown lace would have blended in with my skin just a little bit better. All in all, this wig was just bomb. You guys know I love curly hair. It's so lazy girl friendly, but still so cute. Like, I love it. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. Again, shout out to Perfect Lens Wigs for sending over this bumped hair for me to try out for you guys. And of course, if you are interested or you just want to check out their website, I will have all the links and the details in the description box, so do not forget to check that out. And of course, if you did enjoy this video and you want to see more from me or whatever, don't forget to go ahead and click that subscribe button and then click the notification bell by my name so you can be notified every single time I post a video. So that's it for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. Of course, before you go, don't forget to go ahead and like, comment, and share, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.